tenant stated a ton of water is coming out when running the dishwasher. Towels are wet. Just gonna check this. It's not even draining. They might have stopped it when the water came out. GE model GLD T696DSS-00. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drain it. Doesn't matter which cycle I choose, it should go into drain. That should be good. I'm gonna start with the most common problem before I do anything else, and I need to pull out the dishwasher to do that. This one is side mounted. There's our, I don't know if you can see, there's our latch. That has to be on the outside of this cabinet or it won't pull out. Let's try to bend that latch in. This one got the usual problem is these. Oh, look right there. Didn't even have to go far to find that. But these hose clamps, they just come loose. This one's not even on there. Look at that. And if you see, there's tension on it when you pull. So what I'm gonna do, okay, is rerun this. First I'm gonna get rid of this cheap crap clamp. I'm gonna rerun this hose. Just pulling it down. And I'm gonna go to the back. So I just ran the hose from the back. Now look at this. There's actually room for it to go on. One of my trusty hose clamps. And look at that. There's so much room, so much slack. The original design is where it's tugging on it. Bad design. I've done probably 100 of these. You just want this snug. You don't want to over tighten this or to crack the plastic. Just give it a tug. That ain't going nowhere. I'm down to the side of the dishwasher. You'll see this when you rerun the hose, but this one, that one comes loose as well. Now that I got some of the tension off of it, it shouldn't pull it off. That one should be good. But I've had to clamp up those several times as well. And just because I'm here, I mean that, I barely pulled on that and that came off. I'm just gonna clamp this one too, just to be safe. I'm gonna pull back this insulation just so I have a little more room to work with. Actually, that might work a little better, rerouting it that way. I think that's not good enough. Stubby definitely comes in handy here. Okay, got that pretty snug. Give it a little tug. And the whole fixture's moving. That's what you want. Okay. Before I remount it, I'm just gonna give it a quick test run. Let the water fill up and dispense throughout the dishwasher. So that's one of the most common issues with these GE dishwashers when they leak a ton of water. That's usually what it is. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.